Action.
Heartbreak and certainly some sore muscles for Michael Lane as he gets launched and popped at the same time.
Gonna show him the front of the chute, give him a real close look at that, and then a big look to the right, back around to the left. And that's the thing with this bull. They can't really draw a beat on him because I've seen him be a 45-pointer and never even turn back. You know, he can go straight and still be really rank, but when he finds a direction, he's just awesome.
And she let this crowd know he definitely plans on riding him. Oh, they're gonna take a look, but man, oh man, everyone here and hopefully watching at home wants 8 to happen. Ryan Dirtier may have just done what everyone else has found impossible.
That was good. I hope he makes it, man. To come that close on this bull, nobody likes this bull from a rider standpoint. You know, he's not like a bruiser, one of those top-level type of bulls, but he is great at getting his job done and putting guys on the ground. I hope Dirt Eater gets this.
And you telegraphed it too. It's just the timing. Oh, he's not going to. The hand out of the rope. Bad touch stays perfect. 32-0 at the Unleash the Beast level. 42-0 in his career.
That should show guys, though, if they go at him like Dirt Eater just did, they've got a shot.
Dirt Eater opens the possibility, and as Mac just said, providing the path to perhaps it being done. Hung up a little bit, he finally breaks free, and Mac, just another example of why these bucking battles are so special. The best bulls seem to find a way to get the best riders off.
And Old Fort Days is the best at finding a way. This is a bull we talk about always being to the right. He goes to the right, but Joe's riding him through that, so he just changes it up and goes back left. This bull will do whatever it takes to get a guy on the ground.
Another rider is on the ground early, and that means our early leader, Derek Kolbaba, gets to stay that way.